Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. This week, we are our own inspiration picture. We have a very unique request from one of our community members, and her name is Maria. And she writes, "Greetings, hi Maria. My name is Maria and I follow you on Facebook and enjoy watching your many wonderful projects. I saw that you created and did an excellent job on a Mason Jar celebration for him. How about creating the same thing for her? I'll be watching. Thank you for sharing with us these amazing, budget-friendly ideas." Maria. Well, I am so excited to tell you that we not only created that girl version of our celebration mason jar, but it is so easy and so cost effective. You're going to absolutely love it. So let's get started with this week's episode, Roaring 20's Mason Jar Centerpiece. All right, guys, let's get started. So our first step is to create our flapper dress on our 16-ounce mason jar that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take about a 2-inch section of the resin gem strip sticker. I'm going to cut it in half and create my 2 straps of my flapper dress, applying it right under the rim of our mason jar. Next, we're going to take our 4-inch black fringe and we're going to make sure that it covers the entire jar, and we're going to do it in 2 layers. That's what creates the flapper look. So your first layer is right in the center of your jar, and then the next one is about 1 inch to 1.5 inches from the rim of your mason jar. Let's add a touch of glam with this gold paper flower embellishment right on one of your flapper dress straps. To complete our mason jar base, we're going to fill it with gold glitter ball confetti. Now that our base is complete, let's move on to the finishes. I'm going to take 2 of the mason jar lids, one from the actual jar we're using and one from another jar, so you will need 2, so you can have 2 lids. If the lids are separate pieces, make sure you adhere them together with hot glue, and then we're going to paint them each with black paint and then sprinkle the black extra fine glitter right onto the wet paint. The key is you have to spray the glitter or sprinkle the glitter on while the paint is still wet. Allow your lid 30 minutes to dry and then attach it to the top of your mason jar. Oops, a feather got in there. Once you've attached your lid, you are ready to attach 2 to 3 large hydrangea heads to the top, creating a big, beautiful, full head of hair for our Roaring 20's mason jar flapper girl. Finally, to add that extra special touch, we're going to create our little pillbox hat by cutting a 2-inch round foam disc in half and then attaching it to the top of the other lid with hot glue, painting it with black paint, and then sprinkling that glitter on while the paint is wet, giving it at least 30 minutes to dry. Finally, we can take a piece of a feather, snip it down to size, attach it to our gold embellishment paper flower, and attach it to our little beautiful pillbox hat for our Roaring 20's girl. Well, Maria, how did we do? Isn't she gorgeous? What I love about this centerpiece is that it is so versatile. You can put our flapper Roaring 20's girl with her partner and create a spectacular centerpiece for a golden anniversary, a New Year's Eve party, oh my gosh, the possibilities are endless. So Maria, I hope you love it as much as we do. If you like this project, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our projects are posted every single week. And if you would like an extra special notification, be sure to click on that little bell right down there in the corner and you will get a personal message from us the moment our video is live. If you would like to, you can always send us a comment or ask us a question. Just go right down to the comment section. We love to hear from you. We love your words of encouragement, and we are here for you. You can also follow us on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates account, what are you waiting for? You're missing out. Be sure to do it. It's absolutely free. They pay you to shop. Simply go down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your Rakuten account. When you're ready to shop online, sign on to your Rakuten account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping efforts. It's just that simple. In addition, you don't want to miss out our own MissPlanItShop.com. Click on that little icon in the corner. It'll take you right there. We have fantastic DIY planners for the bride-to-be, the maid of honor rather, as well as just the project planners that we have out there planning those special family daily events. So it's all there for you. They're digital downloads, so you don't have to wait for shipping and handling, and you don't have to pay the cost of shipping and handling. They're all available to you immediately. So check it out. Also, don't forget to if you'd like to hang out with us some more, you can head on over to our website by clicking that little corner and go to our channel, our MissPlanIt home channel on our website. It's only there that you can hang out with me as I create projects for my own personal home, as well as projects for my family and friends. So head on over to MissPlanIt home channel on our website if you'd like to hang out a little bit more. Can't wait to see you. Guys, it's been an absolute blast hanging out with you. Don't forget, all of the links to the supplies as well as the project costs are always in the description below for your use. Just go ahead to the description, click on the project links, and everything we've used for the project is there at your disposal. So we do that for you so you don't have to wonder, where did they get that from? Where can I find that at? We tell you exactly where you can get it from, where you can find it. We also just love hanging out with you, and if we can help you with a project in the future, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com, or go down to the description and click on Project Request. Follow the easy steps, and prayerfully we will be able to help you with your vision. As always, I suggest you send in those requests sooner than later. Our production schedule fills up so fast. We're almost filled for the next 7 months, guys. So please get those requests in sooner because I cannot stand telling anyone no. I hate saying no. Well, it's been an absolute blast hanging out with you. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. I'm so excited to launch our MissPlanIt flower shop on Amazon. It's coming soon, so stay tuned for that so you can use the exact same flowers that I'm using. The flowers that we designed. I'm so extremely excited and I cannot wait for the launch. Well, until next time, guys, always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.